Hello everyone, welcome to Elora's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Today let's check how to make this delicious chili mushroom recipe. This came out really well. Do definitely try out this recipe mostly during winter, and let's get started and check out the recipe. So in a bowl, take 1 by half cup of maida and 1 by 4 cup of corn flour. Add salt as per your taste, pepper powder half teaspoon, chili powder half teaspoon, and ginger powder 1 by 4 teaspoon, and garlic powder half teaspoon. If you do not have ginger powder, garlic powder, add the ginger garlic paste, add water half cup, and give it a mix. Make sure it is lump free. Now cut a mushroom into halves and then add it to the batter. Mix it well. Now deep fry all the mushrooms in hot oil. Make sure the oil is hot enough and then deep fry it. Do not fry it if the oil is not hot. And do add the quantity of maida 1 by half cup and 1 by 4 cup of corn flour to get this coating in the mushroom. Now fry the other batch. Now in another bowl, take another pan, take 3 teaspoons of oil and add minced ginger and garlic of 2 teaspoons. Cook them in high flame for 2 minutes. Add 1 onion cube cut and then half cup of capsicum cube cut. Mix them well for 1 minute. Then add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, vinegar 1 teaspoon, soy sauce 1 teaspoon, chili sauce 1 teaspoon, and tomato ketchup 1 teaspoon. Cook them, mix them, and keep the flame completely low. Add the mushrooms. You can switch up the flame also this time if you want. And then add half teaspoon of pepper powder and give it a quick mix, and this is ready to serve. Do definitely try out this recipe, and thank you everyone for watching. Have a very nice day.